Did you know nearly 22% of motor breakdowns are sparked by ignoring or ruining a basic oil change? And here's the catch. Over half of motorists either bypass their oil changes or perform them poorly. The saddest part is, most folks don't even realize they're committing these expensive errors. But that's why I'm here. Today, I'll explain the biggest oil change traps and how to bypass them. Wait around, because at the finish, I'll reveal a tiny trick technicians won't disclose that can skyrocket your car's power. Critical installation and component errors. Mistake 1. Not replacing the oil filter. It's vital to swap your oil filter every time you swap your oil. If you bypass it, that grimy filter can pump nasty bits back into your clean oil. Your oil filter acts like your motor's kidney. It extracts dirt and grit that could cause catastrophic ruin. Remember, filters are cheap, but motors are pricey. So swap the filter every time you swap your oil, roughly every 5,000 miles. Mistake 2. Over-tightening the oil filter. Almost 25% of filter breaks are caused by bad installation. Cranking the oil filter too hard can spark leaks and make it impossible to spin off next time. The secret? Hand tighten it until it's firm, then provide an extra 3/4 of a turn. Mistake 3. The terrifying double gasket. This occurs when the old rubber seal from the previous oil filter stays glued to the motor block. If you miss it and stack the new filter on top, you now have 2 seals in place. This can cause massive oil sprays once you crank the motor. It risks total oil drainage and can cause extreme motor destruction. So always inspect the filter base. Confirm that the old seal is gone before spinning the new oil filter. Mistake 4. Forgetting to grease the oil filter seal. When the seal is dry, it can cause gaps, and those gaps can lead to leaking the oil you just added. Over time, that oil drainage can cause fatal motor damage, but there's a quick fix. Before you thread on the new filter, just grab a drop of fresh oil and smear it around the seal. This fast step builds a tighter bond, stops leaks, and ensures your motor thrives from the new oil. Fluid management and quality failures. Mistake 5. Using the wrong oil. Utilizing the incorrect oil is among the most destructive errors. It doesn't just zap power, it can lead to total motor collapse. Always inspect your owner's book for the exact oil grade and thickness. The wrong oil burdens your motor, dragging down economy and accelerating wear. Mistake 6. Using low-quality or incorrect filters. Cheap filters crumble fast. This can let pollutants bypass and wreck your motor. Always utilize filters that match or beat factory requirements. Labels like Bosch and Fram are superb choices. They are famous for their quality and grit. Utilizing these filters provides better safety than generic brands. Mistake 7. Overfilling the oil. Did you know that adding too much oil can cause headaches? Excess oil can lead to aeration, where air bubbles grow in the fluid. This can cause oil froth, spiked pressure, and possible motor ruin. Always verify your oil stick after pouring. Confirm you're within the safe marks and pour the oil slowly. Remember, regarding motor oil, less is often more. Mistake 8. Checking the oil level on slanted ground. Have you ever verified your oil on a hill? Not a smart move. Not verifying your oil level on flat ground can provide false data, leading to either overfilling or starving. This can lead to heavy motor friction. Make it a rule to verify your oil on a level spot to get a perfect gauge. Stay tuned, because I'm about to show a secret hack that technicians keep hidden. Process and environment oversights. Mistake 9. Skipping the oil change cycle. Periodic oil changes can extend your motor's life by up to 50%, but many ignore their driving style. For example, constant short hops under 5 miles stop the oil from getting hot. When the oil doesn't get hot enough, water and soot can blend, creating sludge. Now consider stop-and-go jams. This kind of driving puts heavy strain on your motor oil. It can kill the oil quicker, so modify your oil change timing based on your driving routine. Mark your books and follow your plan. Mistake 10. Skipping the final oil check after idling. After idling your motor, don't forget that last oil check. Once the oil travels, it can sit differently, so it's vital to verify the level twice. I suggest doing this to find leaks or faults before they grow into massive bills. And if the oil level is short, just add a bit to ensure your motor is totally shielded. Mistake 11. Draining oil when the motor is cold. Pulling oil from a cold motor can cause headaches, something many hobbyists don't get. Cold oil is gooey, so it doesn't flow out fully. That means you're keeping old, black oil that can grind down your motor over time. The Society of Automotive Engineers claims oil changes thickness with heat, so if you pull cold oil, you're not pulling all of it. The easy cure: run the motor for a few minutes before you pull the plug. That way it pours more smoothly, giving you a purer oil change and helping your motor survive. Mistake 12. Failing to pull the oil fill cap before pulling the plug. If the cap is still tight, it creates a vacuum. This vacuum drags out the flow speed. As a result, some oil can get trapped inside the motor. This remaining oil ruins a total oil change and lets filth stay in the motor. The fix? Always pull the oil fill cap before starting. This boosts oil speed and ensures a deep drain. Mistake 13. Over-tightening the drain pan plug. A lot of folks think the tighter, the safer. However, crushing the drain pan plug can cause some giant headaches. You could ruin the threads or even split the oil pan, which could cost you over $1,000 to fix. Just tighten it firmly, not too hard. If you've got a torque wrench, that's even better. Just follow the factory's numbers. Remember, you want it firm enough to stay put, but not so firm that it causes ruin. Mistake 14. Not filling the new oil filter before fitting. Many people don't grasp this, but most oil filters can take nearly a quart of oil. If you fit a dry filter, you're paving the way for a dry start, and that means extra grinding on your motor. It can boost wear by 50% in the initial few moments after firing up. Just dump a little bit of fresh oil into the filter before you fit it. It's a tiny move that shields your motor and ensures the filter is primed to work from the second you fire the car. Now here's a trick that technicians often hide from you. Think about using a magnetic oil drain plug when you swap your oil. This plug pulls metal shards and grit that can grind down your motor over time. It helps keep your oil purer for longer. This means a better punch and a longer path for your motor. It's a basic swap, but it can make a giant impact. Knowing these usual oil change blunders can save you hours, cash, and stress later. If you found this data useful, please subscribe for more great car care tricks.